Alright, students, number 12, we're almost there. The first thing you're going to do is put your line down the middle. Now here, before ignoring that side, right, we see a fraction. So if there's a fraction, we're going to take the whole thing into consideration. Remember the strategy that I taught you is if we don't want fractions, we got to get rid of that denominator. So this is no longer a fraction. So here we have divided by 6. The opposite of divided by 6 is times 6. So I'm going to do times 6, and what I do to one side, I do to the other. The whole purpose of doing times 6 here is to cancel them out so that you get rid of the fraction. So here now I have 5, the numerator only, fraction is gone, and here I have 60. Okay, after I've done that, now I can ignore this side so that I can simplify this one all the way before continuing. Here's my post-it. Now I am going to distribute the 5 into the parentheses. So here I have 5x, and 5 times positive 7 would be 35. Now I can uncover the other side because this is simplified all the way. So here I have 60. Now I'm at the party, or the two-step equations. Remember, the party means that to free the variable or the letter, all you have to do is 2 steps. The first one is to get rid of whatever is added or subtracted, and the second one is to get rid of the coefficient or the number next to the letter by dividing. So again, my first step here at the party is to get rid of whatever is being added or subtracted. So here, whatever is being added or subtracted, in this case added, is the 35. So I'm going to get rid of plus 35 by doing the opposite, minus 35. That zeroes out. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I still have 5x. Okay, and here I'm going to have 25. Positive, because the 60 wins, right? So now I still don't have the x alone. There's still that coefficient of 5. Remember, when the variable and the coefficient are together like this, or the letter and the number with no sign in between, they are being multiplied. So the opposite of multiplication is division, and that's my second step. Divide by 5 so that x is free, and what I do to one side, I do to the other. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now again, if you have your calculator, your last step is to check that your answer is correct by plugging in. So I have the original problem, and you can verify with your calculator if this is true. So in your calculator, you can type this into parentheses. You would type 5 divided by 6, and then times 5 plus 7, or 12, right? And then see if that gives you 10. You can do it here. 5 divided by 6 times 12. 6 and 12 cancel out, right? Goes into 6 and 12 by 6, and 5 times 2 is 10. So my answer is correct. But again, you can type this in the calculator just like it is here. Parentheses, 5 divided by 6, parentheses, times 5 plus 7, parentheses, and then see if it gives you 10. So you can check your answer by plugging in that 5 right here into the x, and it'll give you the answer using the calculator. So make sure that you plug in your answer back into the original problem to double check. Okay? And that was problem number 12.